accidents happen, so be prepared for anything with this 210-piece first aid kit. This kit packs hospital-grade essentials into one compact grab-and-go case. From scrapes to sprains, it's your everyday emergency hero. Let's unzip the case and dive in, because when life throws the unexpected, this kit's got your back. Time to unpack the essentials. First up, 20 soft cotton balls, gentle, absorbent, and ready for cleaning scrapes and applying ointments or cushioning delicate spots. Next, 2 triangular bandages, versatile and essential. Use them as slings or wraps. They're lightweight, flexible, and ready to support when stability matters most. Here's one of the 2 disposable gloves included, perfect for keeping things clean and protected. 2 knuckle and 2 finger fabric strips. And here is the other disposable glove, making that a 2-pack. And we'll unpack this bag of essentials later. 1 fire blanket, compact, powerful, and ready to smother flames fast. 30 cotton-tipped applicators, clean, precise, and ready to go. And of course, 1 sturdy pair of scissors, sharp and compact. 1 plastic tweezer, lightweight, precise, and perfect for pulling splinters or handling small dressings without contamination. 12 safety pins, from fastening bandages to quick fixes. They're the quiet heroes of any kit. And now 1 roll of first aid tape, secure, flexible, and built to hold bandages right where you need them. And now it's time to dive into this bag that is full of essentials. First up is the 4 antiseptic wipes, compact, powerful, and ready to clean up life's little messes. 22 alcohol prep pads. Then we have multiple adhesive bandages in a couple different shapes and sizes. We have a 50 piece of a 19 by 76 millimeter and a 40 piece of a 10 by 40 millimeter. Now that side is done, let's check out the other side of the first aid kit. Here we have 3 different types of conforming bandages. 5 centimeter by 4.5 yards, 7.5 centimeter by 4.5 yards, and 10 centimeter by 4.5 yards. And of course, this first aid kit does come with instructions on how to best handle everything. Next up is the 3 non-adherent pads. They're gentle on skin, but tough on the wounds. 2 adhesive eye pads. They're soft, protective, and shaped to shield those sensitive areas. 1 instant cold pack, just squeeze to activate. And last up, 3 packs, 2 wound compressions in each pack. From a scraped knee to a snake bite and everything in between, this 210-piece kit is built for life's unexpected moments. Compare at $30, but our price, just $24.99. That's great savings only at heartlandamerica.com.